Hey guys, and how it's going? Today we are replacing the right rear brake caliper on this 2010 Volkswagen Passat. And to do this we need to set the calipers into service mode. And this is done via this iCarSoft CR Plus. And now it can be done using a 9 volts battery and 2 cables, but since I have this scanner I will use it. So we find the OBD2 connector, and this is located right here. Like so. And we need to put the ignition on, shut the radio off, we go to reset, brake reset, Volkswagen, ignition on, yep. And we will open the rear brake calipers. That is what we will do. Okay, now we can turn the ignition off, like so. Now we're ready to remove the wheel. So we take a 13mm spanner and a 16mm to counter hold so that the slide pin won't spin. That's loose. Now that's loose. And before we remove this banjo bolt, we need to clamp off the brake hose. To minimize spillage. Now that's loose. Okay, press the piston in. There you go. Now we have this electrical connector. Like so. We win once again. Let's remove these brake pads. What's left of them anyway. Jesus. We take our new pads, put some copper grease on these bosses. And this inner one. Right way, please. There you go. Now it's time for the new caliper. Take our electrical connector so that we won't forget it. Like so. Mount this into place. Like so. Now we need to make sure that there are two washers. And we put this into place. And you don't wanna over tighten this so that you damage the threads. I can remove this clamp. Now we can tighten these. There's one. There. That's it. Okay. Now we need to loosen this bleeder nipple. Just about 1/4 of a turn. And we take our handy dandy 1-person bleeder kit, put this over the nipple. And we wanna head inside and pump the brakes until it feels normal. How does it look? Yep, brake fluid is coming. So let's pump some more. Yeah, brake fluid is coming and no bubbles, air bubbles. Now we can close this and remove this. Like so. And we don't want to forget the cap. Like so. Now we can head inside and put the calipers out of service mode. Okay, let's plug her in. Get inside. Put the ignition on. We go to reset, brake reset, Volkswagen. Ignition is on. parking brake. And now we wanna close the rear brake calipers. So now let's listen for that. Well guys, now you know how to replace the right rear brake caliper on this Volkswagen Passat. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.